If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video.
Hi, hello, welcome. This is Pratap Arun Mannam and you are watching me on techmyhire YouTube channel. Today we have Aman with us. Hi, Aman.
Hello, Varun.
Yeah, so Aman is an ITM University student and he's here with us today to share his Infosys interview experience. Okay, Aman, can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, Varun. My name is Aman Jha, and I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from ITM Gwalior, and I live in Gwalior, and I have done my schooling from Pragati Vidyapeeth in Gwalior, and I love to code in C and C++. This is my brief introduction, Varun.
Okay, Aman. Before quickly diving into the video, guys who have already subscribed to our video, please do like and share our videos. And who are new to this channel, please subscribe and encourage us. Okay, Aman. So can you quickly share your interview experience? And so what was the exact interview process of Infosys?
So firstly, this was an on-campus drive from Infosys.
So firstly,
Yes.
We'll dive into the interview round. So what was your interview experience and what sort of questions were asked in the TR?
Firstly, the meeting link of the particular interview on 22nd November was come before 2 days, which was on 20th November.
Okay.
The meeting time was of 20 minutes, which was mentioned in the interview mail.
Okay.
And after on 22nd November, after joining the meeting, there was only one person who was taken my HR, TR, and MR.
Okay.
Firstly, on coming in the interview room, they have asked me about introduce myself. Then I have introduced myself.
Okay.
Then they have asked me to discuss my project, which I discussed that it is a data science project which involves linear regression and random forest classifiers. In this project, this
okay,
was
so apart from your project, are there any technical questions that they have asked
yes.
you?
Yes, Varun. They have asked me about SDLC.
Okay.
What is SDLC in software engineering? And I have explained that SDLC software development lifecycle model, which uses 4 steps: analysis, design, code, and implement method to implement any software.
Okay.
And they have asked me what modules you have used in this project, and I have said that I have used pandas module of Python library.
Okay. Any other coding questions, Aman?
Yes, sir. They have asked me about recursion problem using factorials.
Okay.
They have asked me to implement factorial of any number using recursion.
Okay, so you have typed it on the chat box and you presented.
Yes, sir. Yes, Varun. They have asked me to type down the code on Notepad and share the particular code in the chat box of the Microsoft team.
Okay. Any questions from SQL, Aman?
Yes, yes, Varun. They have asked me about SQL. What is SQL? Then I explained that SQL is structured query language, which is used to search queries in the database. Okay. And the second was what is DBMS. They asked me about DBMS. Then I explained that it is database management system.
Okay, Aman. So how was your MR round and what sort of questions were asked in your MR round?
MR round was taken by a single person. Firstly, they have asked me that how you manage this project, and I have explained that this project was led by me, in which I have assigned every person a particular role that I want. That my role was to collect the data, and second person was to filter out the data, and third person was to implement the particular modules of random forest classifier and linear regression on that particular data set. And the fourth one was that you to make a report of that particular whole project. So, and second question, he asked that why should you join the Infosys? Why should you?
Oh yeah, typical MR questions. Okay.
Yes, sir. Then I have said that Infosys work on various technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, which excite me. That's why I want to join the Infosys, and I love the work culture of the Infosys.
So,
These were
how was your HR and what questions they have asked you?
in HR was also taken by a single that person which will take my PR and MR. In
Okay.
HR question, first question was to that do you have a what is your strength and weakness? For
Okay.
strength, I explained that I am a team working person and I am a hardworking person. And in weakness, I have said that I fail to speak publicly. To overcome this weakness, I stood up early in the morning and watch motivational YouTube videos and do some meditation to improve this hesitant of the public speaking.
So,
And
any other
second,
questions regarding bonds of Infosys?
no sir, they have not asked me about any bond and service agreement.
Okay. So, after your HR round, so you got your offer letter, right? How many days it take for you to got your offer letter after your HR round?
Sir, around 15 days because my interview was on 22nd November and the result was declared by TAPSEL on 16th December, sir.
Okay, it took around 15 days for you to get the offer letter.
Yes, yes, sir.
So let's just quickly talk about your written test experience, and
Yes.
how was the written test, and what is exact pattern of your Infosys written test?
The written test was conducted on sir 3rd October, which
Okay.
was of online assessment on a metal platform, which is a
Oh
software
yeah,
which
I've known that. Yeah.
they are required to install on your computer.
Mm-hmm.
Then the particular online assessment has a 4 sections, sir. First
Mm-hmm.
section was of aptitude. Then
Okay.
second section was of logical reasoning, and third section was of pseudocode, and the
Okay.
fourth section was of puzzles, sir.
Okay.
First section of FD consists of the questions of like profit and loss, compound interest and
Mm-hmm.
simple interest,
Mm-hmm.
speed, time and distance, problems on ages and number systems, sir.
Okay.
And
So
the
how do you
second
prepare
question,
for this aptitude test then?
sir, for aptitude, my TAPSEL has arranged the sessions of aptitude training
Okay,
and
your
the
training and
early
placement cell
before.
have arranged training for that. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. They have arranged this particular FT sessions before the placement seasons for the preparation of the test, aptitude test, sir.
Okay.
And also I have referred some geeks and prep staff for some good questions, sir.
So, Aman, is there any difference from an on-campus drive of Infosys and an off-campus drive of Infosys?
Yes, sir. The on-campus drive questions level was a little bit on the normal side, but on-campus drive, the questions pattern was little bit different because in on off-campus drive, I have also practice on campus drive practice sets that the question
Okay.
was of on a difficult bit side, sir, of
Okay.
FT and logical reasoning questions, sir.
Okay. So, any coding questions that they have asked you in a written test?
Yes, sir. There was a pseudocode. There was two pseudocodes were present in that particular online assessment.
Okay.
The first pseudocode was on the C++ that the particular following program will run or not, sir. And the second pseudocode was that what will be the output of the following C++ program, sir.
Okay. So,
These were the
Aman,
particular two questions, sir.
yeah, how have your colleagues helped you in cracking this Infosys?
The college helped me a lot, sir. My training and placement cell, Arpit sir, is very helpful for
Mm-hmm.
because they have arranged us the FT and logical aptitude and logical reasoning sessions before placement season, which
Mm-hmm.
helped me a lot because preparation of FT is very vast subject, sir. As
Yes,
you
yes,
know
yes.
that it has very topics like problems and ages, but we have to practice some particular topic which our training and placement cell arrange sessions with a
Okay.
good teachers, and they have teach us with the various short tricks to solve aptitude questions very easily, and
Okay.
how to approach any logical reasoning questions like number series, which is very difficult. If you do not practice well, the number series can be led
It's a bit tricky
to
actually.
failure, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. They have also given us some short trick. Arpit sir has helped me a lot, sir, because without Arpit sir, I cannot ace that this Infosys interview, sir.
Yeah, that was really nice of him. And so, any online sites that you referred for your
Yes, sir.
interview preparation?
Yes, sir. I will refer your channel, sir, Tech My for hire,
Yeah.
sir, because the
Mhm.
interview experience of the student also helped me a lot, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Channel, sir.
That was really nice. Okay, Aman, any sort of suggestions from your side to your juniors or the Infosys aspirants watching our videos?
Yes, Varu. Firstly, that you should prepare well on OOPS concept of C++ because they can ask several questions on OOPS concept like polymorphism, what is polymorphism, what is inheritance. And second question, you should well prepare with SQL because they have asked me about SQL. But if they want to deep down in that SQL, they can ask you about SQL queries. Second will be the normalization, and the third one will be what will is joins. And third will be that you should prepare well your resume about your project, what modules you have used, and what you want to achieve from this project. These questions can be asked. And fourth and last,
Even I figured out like there are a lot of questions for you on your project actually.
yes, Varun. And the fourth and last, you should never lose your confidence because if you lose confidence, then you will fail in that particular interview.
You should always give your positive answers on HR round, and you should be always confident.
Yes.
Aman, apart from Infosys, what are the other companies that you have got placed in?
Sir, I have done with an interview with TCS and a Taluna USA-based MNC, which is situated in Gurugram. I have done with the interview process. I am waiting for results, sir.
Oh, anyhow, all the very best, Aman, for your bright future, and congratulations, Aman, that you cracked Infosys, and all the very best, bro. Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe our channel and support us. And we'll meet you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.